Welcome to the SPARC portal walkthrough. Open any web browser and type in sparc.science and press enter. This is the landing page of the SPARC portal. To the right of the home page, you can click on About SPARC to learn more about the SPARC program. The Contact Us option lets you provide the feedback about the SPARC portal. And the Need Help option serves as a one-stop shop for all the help documents, tutorials, and any other relevant information. Next to the Home tab, you would see many other tabs like Find Data, Tools and Resources, Maps, News and Events, which are explained in more details later in this video. To the right, you will see a search box. This search box lets you search within a specific category like datasets, resources, news and events, and support center. Scrolling down this page, you can find data by category like stomach, colon, heart, bladder. There is a separate column for news and upcoming events, some testimonials from the research community, and a few Twitter posts. Let's get started with the Find Data tab. As the name speaks for itself, this option serves as an inventory for the SPARC data. Under the Datasets tab, you would see all the datasets. Clicking on the dataset of your interest provides you with an option to download the dataset along with the description of the dataset, more information about the dataset, the file details, and the visual summary of the dataset through the Gallery tab. Under the Organs tab, you would come across all the supported organs. Click on an organ of interest, provides you with more details about the organ like the datasets and the projects associated to that organ. The Projects tab lists all the SPARC projects and their associated datasets. The Simulations tab lets you run the simulations along with providing some additional information. The Tools and Resources tab lists all the resources, platforms, and the tools that help you enhance the way you access, visualize, and run simulations on the SPARC data. The Maps visualization interface lets you analyze the interactive maps which reveal the anatomy and functional relationship of the autonomic nerves and the organs. To learn more, go to the Help document available under the Need Help section. The News and Events tab gives you the information about the upcoming events, the past events, and the latest SPARC news. You may provide us your valuable feedback via the Contact Us option available at the top right, or through the Site Feedback option present at the bottom of the page. Lastly, scroll to the bottom of the SPARC portal homepage and click on Join Our Email List to stay up to date with SPARC.